Yeah, good day everyone. This is Smile. I'm new now Smile Network. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. Today I want to show us an interesting app. The name of the app is called ARBTap. It's a Telegram mini app. I came across it on a particular website. Yeah. So this app, the instruction and the benefit of it sounds to be too good. So I want to test it today. And if actually it works out, I would like every one of us to just do as many things as possible so that you can earn 1 or 2 things. So it's a way of getting to put something on the table. So let's just try to test the app. So the link is under the description page. So go to my description page, just click on the link, and also you have access to my WhatsApp group where I drop the latest news about crypto and everything that is going on. So do that to join my WhatsApp group also. So when you click on the link, you'll be directed to this page, and after this page, then you launch, you start, and then click on launch. So these are your app will look like. So welcome to ArbiTap. So what they do on this group? What they do on this group is crypto arbitrage. And what is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage means buying a token or a coin at lesser price on one exchange and bring it to another exchange and sell it at higher price. Do you get what I'm saying? So let me give you an example. Let's assume on Bitget the price of dog is lesser, but on Bybit the price of dog is higher. There's a little difference, maybe 0.04 difference between them. So you can just buy at Bybit, buy in large quantity, and then take it to Binance and sell it all on Binance, and that will bring your exchange. So when you see the app like this, what you just need to do is just you tap on it, and then it's going to print out some cash for you. So the more you click on the tab, the more the robot is going to buy on your behalf and sell on your behalf. So automatically it's going to do it on your behalf. What you just need to do is to keep on tapping on the your screen. So that's it. So I have some small amount in my wallet now. Let's see whether we can withdraw it. So now we are going to go for withdrawal now. I want to request for withdrawal. So I'll click on withdraw. So I'm choosing USD BSC, and here I'm going to enter my address and then my amount I want to withdraw. So I'll just go and copy my wallet address now. So just come to your wallet, use my Bitget wallet, and then I change the network to BNB chain. So you can just click on USDT and then click on receive, and then you copy the address. So copy the address. So I'm going to go back to my ArbiTap and then paste the wallet there. So here's it, and then come here, click on withdraw again, click on it, and then paste the wallet here. So I've pasted the wallet, and then I click on mass. So the amount I'm going to withdraw now is 4.85. So that's the amount I'm going to give to. Okay, here's the network fee, which is 0.1. So the amount I'm going to receive is 4.75. So let's see 4.75. Let's place it withdraw. Wow. Okay, let's wait and see if the money is going to drop. Let's wait and see. Wow, with immediate effect. You can see 4.75. Wow, this app is very, very interesting. I didn't believe it actually, but you guys, you can just maximize your profit. Just invite many people as possible. One person per referral, you are going to be given $1. I think that is okay now. So just refer as many people as possible. Immediate effect. That is interesting. So here is what I have for you guys today. So do wait to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. How to make money online. And also make sure you join my WhatsApp group. I'll drop the link under the description. So please make sure you do that. Thank you so much. God bless you.